For over 3,000 years, cacao has been used for health benefits, but only recently has modern science begun to understand why. Our exploration today is grounded in rigorous clinical studies and systemic reviews, including research published in the BMJ, Nature, and other peer-reviewed journals. We'll separate fact from fiction and focus solely on evidence-based outcomes. Did you know that consuming a specific type of chocolate daily can help support your cardiovascular health and improve brain function? Yet, not all chocolate provides these benefits, and some might even be harmful. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on science-backed nutrition tips. 12 powerful benefits. Number 1. Supports cardiovascular health. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, which is responsible for most of its health benefits. Flavonoids in dark chocolate may help support healthy endothelial function by enhancing nitric oxide bioavailability, which can promote healthy blood flow. This improved blood flow is a key mechanism behind many of its cardiovascular advantages. By helping your arteries and veins stay relaxed and open, the flavonoids in dark chocolate can contribute to maintaining a healthy circulatory system. This is especially important for long-term heart wellness. Number 2. Promotes healthy blood pressure. Multiple studies indicate that the flavonoids in cocoa can help support healthy blood pressure. This effect is linked to nitric oxide production. This molecule signals the muscles surrounding your arteries to relax, which can help support a healthy and natural regulation of your blood pressure. Number 3. Supports a healthy lipid profile. Consuming dark chocolate has been shown to support healthy cholesterol levels. The fatty acids in dark chocolate, particularly oleic acid, are known to support a healthy lipid profile. These fats can help maintain a healthy balance between different types of cholesterol in your body. Number 4. Enhances cognitive function. High flavanol cocoa may improve cerebral blood flow, which can enhance attention, verbal learning, and memory. The combination of flavonoids and natural stimulants like theobromine can contribute to better brain performance. This enhanced blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the brain, which is vital for focus and memory. Number 5. Boosts mood. A randomized controlled trial demonstrated that daily consumption of high cocoa dark chocolate was linked to improved mood. This effect was linked to dark chocolate's prebiotic properties, which may influence the gut-brain axis. The complex interplay between the gut microbiome and the brain is an exciting area of research. By supporting beneficial gut bacteria, the compounds in dark chocolate may have an indirect but positive effect on mood and feelings of well-being. Number 6. Provides antioxidant protection. Dark chocolate is rich in polyphenols, epicatechin, and oligomeric procyanidins, which combat oxidative stress. These powerful antioxidants work by neutralizing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage. By helping to combat this damage, dark chocolate can help support your body's cells and contribute to your overall health. Number 7. Improves skin health. Flavonols may help protect skin from UV damage by supporting the skin's natural defenses. Beyond UV protection, the flavonols in dark chocolate can also help support healthy blood flow to the skin, which is essential for maintaining its hydration and a healthy glow. Number 8. Supports blood glucose regulation. Though dark chocolate contains sugar, its flavonoids may help improve insulin sensitivity and support healthy blood glucose levels. The key to this benefit is the type of chocolate you choose. By selecting a high cocoa, low sugar variety, you get the benefits of the flavonoids without the counterproductive effects of high sugar intake on your blood glucose. Number 9. Acts as a prebiotic. Dark chocolate may help foster beneficial gut bacteria while reducing others, which may support a healthy gut microbiome. This prebiotic effect is a powerful way to support your gut's ecosystem. A balanced gut microbiome is linked to numerous aspects of health, including digestion and mood. Number 10. Supports a healthy inflammatory response. Cocoa flavonoids may help support a healthy inflammatory response in the body. This is particularly important because a balanced inflammatory response is crucial for your body's overall wellness. The compounds in dark chocolate can help your body manage its natural inflammatory processes. Number 11. Supports mitochondrial function. Epicatechin may enhance mitochondrial structure and function, which can improve energy production. Mitochondria are often called the powerhouses of your cells. By supporting their function, dark chocolate's compounds can help your body produce energy more efficiently, which is vital for your daily well-being. Number 12. May aid weight management. Despite its calorie density, dark chocolate may promote a feeling of fullness due to its fiber content and healthy fats, which can help support weight management when consumed in moderation. The fiber and healthy fats in dark chocolate can increase satiety, helping to reduce cravings for less healthy snacks. This can be a useful tool for those looking to manage their weight as part of a balanced diet. The cumulative impact of these benefits is profound. Regular, moderate consumption of high cocoa dark chocolate can be a strategic component of a health-conscious diet. However, not all chocolate is created equal. The Cosmos study used pure cocoa supplements, and obtaining equivalent flavonoid levels from chocolate alone would require consuming a large amount of dark chocolate daily. This is not advisable. Instead, view dark chocolate as a complementary intervention. Aim for 20 to 30 grams daily of at least 70% cocoa chocolate, preferably 85% or higher, to maximize flavonoids while minimizing sugar intake. Remember, chocolate is not a medicine, but a food that can offer both pleasure and health advantages when chosen wisely. If you found this information valuable, give this video a like, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more science-based health content. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite percentage of dark chocolate? Stay informed, stay healthy, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.